Welcome to the Practice English at Home channel. On. The girl is on the box. On. The girl is on the box. Under. The girl is under the box. Under. The girl is under the box. In. The girl is in the box. In. The girl is in the box. Over. The girl jumped over the box. Over. The girl jumped over the box. Front. The girl is sitting in front of the box. Front. The girl is sitting in front of the box. Next to. The girl is sitting next to the box. Next to. The girl is sitting next to the box. Behind. The girl hid behind the box. Behind. The girl hid behind the box. Between. The girl sits between two boxes. Between. The girl sits between two boxes. Up. The owl flies up into the sky. Up. The owl flies up into the sky. Down. The owl fell down from the tree. Down. The owl fell down from the tree. Near. The owl is near the box. Near. The owl is near the box. Far. The owl is far from the box. Far. The owl is far from the box. Around. The owl is flying around the box. Around. The owl is flying around the box. Through. The owl goes through the hole. Through. The owl goes through the hole. Among. The owl sits among its friends. Among. The owl sits among its friends. Above. The owl is above the box. Above. The owl is above the box. Below. The owl is below the box. Below. The owl is below the box. Opposite. The owl stood opposite its friend. Opposite. The owl stood opposite its friend. Across. The penguin ran across the street. Across. The penguin ran across the street. Into. The mouse jumped into the box. Into. The mouse jumped into the box. Out of. The mouse came out of the box. Out of. The mouse came out of the box. If you liked the video, hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends.